property line's right about there.
Whoever built the small carport didn't realize that they'd crossed the property line, so it'll have to come down.
Right, well, I'll cut it here.
Okay.
And then we bend that over, it could pull those out, I don't know.
Okay, as long as it doesn't like go into the house, that'd be awesome.
Now, put your little slot up in there, turn it to your right, now pump. Go.
After we jack it up to relieve the weight, we can cut the legs so that it falls away from the house.
Good team here. I would imagine it'll go pretty easy. Hold it, we gotta count.
I'll count. I'm gonna count from 3 down to 1.
All right, go.
3, 2, 1. Whee!
1, 2, 1.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Once we get our math figured out, this thing comes down pretty easy.
There you go.
Now it looks like a little chimney.
Now let's try to get it off this dude's property.
Now this carport is ready for us to tear it apart. That's always the fun part, but cleaning up afterwards, not so much.
Think that blade's dull? Nah. That was pretty bad.